Well, guys. Hey, it's Lucy. It's Lucy, back with another video. And I think from now on, in my intros, I'm just gonna say welcome back to my channel because I don't know why, but I just want that to be my intro. So yeah, today I'm gonna show you all my slimes. I did this not a long time ago, but I did this I already did this video, but I'm going to do it again because I kind of lost some of those slimes and I have new slimes. So yeah, I'm just going to do a slime collection. So I'm not doing this in order, I'm just doing it random. So here's the first one. It used to be like a banana chip box, whatever you call it. Banana chips. Okay. This is my favorite slime and second latest slime I've made. I love the color of this. It's a blue. Can you see that? You guys will never see it. It's not on the floor right now, guys. Here. I don't know why it sticks to that thing. So yeah, that is the first slime. So my second slime is actually my brother made it, but he just gave it to me so I could trade one of my slimes. So it was my clear slime I traded him for. And it's really small because he only gave me half of it. But it is really awesome. Sorry this is really bad lighting, and I'm doing this in my pantry. This is just where I keep all of my slimes. So yeah, that's why I'm doing it in here. And my family is in the rooms. Oh. Well, that's the second slime. Again, I did not make that slime. So now, the third slime. This is when I added a little bit of each of my slimes together. Sorry for the background noise, just there might be a teenage party coming, so. Next is this slime. Not different to another slime I have. It has some beads in it, but I really want to take them out. I tried to get some of them out, and I got most of it out. I think I'm gonna just take some out. Oh, I almost went on the floor. I think I'm just gonna take some out in this video. Oh, I just added them in. Wow, looks like it got stuck to my hands. So what's the point of that? Again, sorry about the background noise. Also, I'm in my pantry, so it sounds really weird in here because there's my water jug in here. Well, one day I'm gonna take out all the beads out of this, so be a really nice slime once I take out the beads, but I should probably call this my bead slime for now, but once I take out the beads out of it, it'll be good. Okay, so that is the fourth slime. The fifth slime is a slime that was just sitting in the pantry, and I probably knew it was mine, and now I don't know why that is in there, but I knew it wasn't my brother Sawyer's. I knew it wasn't my sister's, so it had to be mine. So it is this slime. It was like super sticky, and I fixed it. It's a little sticky, but you have to play with it fast in order for it not to be sticky. It's a really nice slime. So that is that slime. Okay. So now the sixth slime is this one. This one is the most recent one. It is when I didn't do this on camera, but I mixed a little bit of each of my slimes together, and it made this slime. And it's a pretty nice color, I mean. Alright, so that is that slime. And the seventh slime is not a very good slime. And it's very small, but it's a nice color. I worked very hard on this color. The texture of the slime is not good though. So, there's going to be a giveaway type of thing again for this slime. So if you go to my school, make sure to comment, and whoever gets the most comments gets this slime. It isn't very good, but it's still good. So, yeah. And the eighth slime. Okay, you guys are probably going to think I'm really weird, but it's so tiny. But I lost all of it. But it is my favorite slime. It is so tiny though. But it is the perfect texture. And only if there was a bigger slime of this would be awesome. But that's that slime, and I love this slime. And I'm never throwing this tiny little bit of it away, because I just love it. Okay. These three are all in this container. So this one is my biggest slime. Sorry. It's pretty good. I love the noise of it. I mean, it's sometimes sticky and sometimes not. Right now it's not. I call it the marshmallow slime because it's supposed to be pink, but it's like white, so because it's like barely tinted. But sorry. Then there's this slime. Is my second recent made slime, I guess. It's a really good texture. I made this one with my friend. She made one too. It wasn't, the friend I made it with is not the friend that usually comes on here to my channel. The name is Emmy, but you know. So that is that slime. And then my last slime I'm going to be showing you is this. Oh, this is in there. It's this slime. Sorry about the background noise. Okay, so that is all my slimes. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please click like and subscribe, and in the comments down below, let me know what's your favorite slime. My favorite slime is this tiny one. I already said that in the video. So, anyways, see you on Wednesday. So, wait. Yeah, it's today's short Sunday, so it wasn't really a short video, but see you on Wednesday.